Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to download and install XAMPP on Windows, step by step. First, open your web browser. Search for XAMPP. Click this official link. On the homepage, you will see download options for different operating systems, Windows, Linux, and macOS. Since we are installing XAMPP on Windows, click on the download button next to the Windows version. This will redirect you to SourceForge website. Click on the download latest version. In few seconds the download will start. The file size is usually around 150 to 200 megabytes, so wait for it to complete. Once the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder and locate the installer file, or click the exe file directly. The XAMPP setup wizard will now open. Click Next to continue. Now, you will see a screen asking you to select components. For most users, it is best to leave everything selected. Click Next. Now, you need to choose the installation folder. It is highly recommended to keep this default location. Do not install it inside program files because it can cause permission issues later. So leave it as C:\XAMPP. Now click Next again to start the installation. The installation process will begin. This may take a few minutes. During installation, you might see Windows Firewall pop up asking to allow Apache HTTP server to communicate on networks. Make sure both private networks and public networks are checked. Click Allow Access. Once installation is complete, click Finish. The XAMPP control panel will now open. This is the main interface where you can start and stop services. For basic web development, we only need Apache and MySQL. Now, click the Start button next to Apache. If everything is working correctly, the background will turn green and you will see a port number, usually 80 and 443. Next, click Start next to MySQL. Again, it should turn green. If both Apache and MySQL are running, your local server is now active. Let's test it. Open your web browser again. In the address bar, type localhost. Press Enter. If the installation is successful, you will see the XAMPP welcome page. This confirms that Apache is working correctly. Now let's test phpMyAdmin. In the address bar, type localhost/myadmin. Press Enter. You should now see the phpMyAdmin interface. This confirms that MySQL and PHP are working properly. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed XAMPP on your Windows computer. If you like the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.